Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just wrote a little macro that anybody could write, and I think for me, it'll be a big time saver. I am just going to hit one key on my keyboard, which is the number one, and it wrote out the alphabet. It not only it wrote it out and ungrouped it. Even though I did a import command, I use this for when I'm looking for animal tracks. What letter, and see they're actually different between uppercase and lowercase, and we'll go right here and so look at the A's different, the B's different. There's some that look duplicated, but they're a little bit different. So how did I write that? Well, I typed out the ABCs, and if we just go to File and Open and type in ABC, there's my ABC file. That would be easy enough to do that right there, but you'd have to remember where the file is and everything. So let's just write a macro. We're going to go to Tools, Scripts. Yours might say Macro Start Recording. There's no hurry. I've already got one called ABC, so I'm going to call it ABC2. I'm going to say OK. Now, there's no hurry, but go up to File. I use the import because if you're already working on a subject, then we're going to type in ABC, pick that file, import, paste it, go up to Object, Group, and Ungroup, then go back to Tools, Scripts, and stop recording. Let's see if it worked. Go up to Tools, Scripts. There's our ABC2. For some reason, every once in a while, you have to actually fill in the black. It doesn't do it, but on the first one, on mine, it actually did, the one I did here. So I don't know what the difference is. Now, all I had to do to make a hotkey, because all I'm going to do now is hit the 1 on my keyboard, and there it is. So when you have a macro like this, you could just assign it. So I right-click on the mouse, assign a keyboard stroke, and you can see it's 1. I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to call it 2. Well, there's already something for 2. 3, there's already something. So we'll go back to 1, assign it, say OK, and now, a lot of people don't understand when you're not in the text tool, every key on your keyboard can be a shortcut or a macro because you're not in the text tool. I just hit the 1 on my keyboard. And not only for what I do with just different fonts. You could look, well, what does that font look like in, I just did a deal in this to see what everything would look like before I would start printing it out. Anyway, kind of a fun project. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.